Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can lazy load your analytics code in your website and speed up your website speed. So first of all, just copy this website link and go to Page Speed Insight and paste the link and click on Analyze. It will take some time and show you the result, so let's wait. So as you can see, the speed is around 82 and we need to lazy load Google Analytics in this website. So first of all, go to your Blogger website and click on theme section, and here click on back off and click on download. So in case if you do anything wrong in this process, you can easily restore it back to the original position by clicking on this restore button. So first of all, go to the edit HTML section and here Ctrl+F and type analytics. Now as you can see, the analytics code is added through if condition, or in some cases it will added directly inside the head tag or above the body tag. So just go to your analytics dashboard and here click on admin section. Now here in the tracking info, you will see an option called tracking code, and you can also search for this code in the theme. So in my case it is added through if condition, so click on back and go to the setting, and here as you can see, you will see the analytics property ID. So just remove this ID from here and save your theme. Now go to the analytics again and copy the whole code in a notepad, and here you have to remove this fast script tag, and now copy this code first and add it below this code, and here you have to change the tracking ID of your website and here replace this tracking ID code. Now copy the whole code again and go to the theme section and click on edit HTML. Remove the old analytics code if any and paste this new analytics code just above the body tag and click on save changes. Let's go to the home page. Here refresh this page again. So as you can see, the tracking code is working now, and let me just open a new page again. This is the FAQ schema in Blogger post. So as you can see, it is changed to FAQ schema. So the analytics code is working perfectly. So let's check the speed test again, and as you can see, there is an improvement of 2 points in the Page Speed Insight. So we have successfully added the lazy loaded Google Analytics code in our Blogger website, and in this way you can improve your blog speed by delaying the load of analytics code inside your Blogger website. If you have any doubt regarding this lazy loading, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can join our Telegram group. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos like this. Thank you.